Exciting deal alert from softwaretrailers.com. We're ecstatic to announce a lifetime discount for Typli.ai software. If you purchase their lifetime account for only $59, you can save up to $280. Produce high-quality content with the help of a single AI writer and SEO assistant with Typli.ai. Whether you're writing lengthy blog for your brand or filling out a card for someone or trying to make a caption for your photos, Typli.ai can help you. Create high-quality, SEO-optimized content with a single click. Choose from a range of writing themes, type in a few basic words, and you'll be creating original, copyright-free content in no time. With over 100 writing commands, Typli.ai allows you to enhance on your work. Additionally, the Copyscape API capability allows you to determine whether your generated material is 100% original or plagiarized. With Typli.ai's AI text spinner, you can even change the script of your material to add additional depth and variety. Keep track of its quality and readability for all of your content's readability score. Typli.ai also has a WordPress plugin, allowing you to write material without having to leave your WordPress account. As a result, you'll be able to quickly and easily create websites with high-ranking content on a platform you're already familiar with. Furthermore, the team management and tagging tools make assigning work and collaborating on projects a breeze. Try Typli.ai today. Hiring a professional writer will cost you more time and money. Let Typli.ai do the job for you. Save as much as $280 if you avail our lifetime deal for Typli.ai. Lifetime deal starts at only $59. You can grab this super low price and get lifetime access to Typli.ai. Check out more details and get lifetime access today at a great price. Save big with Typli.ai. Click the link below for more details. Go over our collection of current software lifetime deals, available on the top right of your screen. Catch special deals that's right for you. Hit like and subscribe to get our latest software deals and so much more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.